Our Father, who art in heaven, please against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Hello, Joe.
Bro, you up?
What's up?
Let's play basketball with the gang later.
Okay, sure.
Okay, I'll be there in 30 minutes. I see you. Bye.
Hey, Emma. Hey, guys, Joe.
Stay 2-on-2, guys. 2-on-2? Yeah.
Hey, let's go.
Nice game.
What's his problem?
I don't know. Man, where are you going? Hey.
PUP. PUP.
Hey man, this is your... No.
I don't know.
I don't have any idea.
Nice one!
Ha? You noobs. F.
Hey man.
Fudge.
Hey man, are you okay? Woo! Chillax, it's just a game.
It's not just a game.
What's wrong?
Can't you see I'm dead?
It's just a game, bro. What's happening to you?
Fine, whatever. Yes, hello?
Hey man, what's up? Are you free today? Let's have a drink.
Where and what time?
At Jojo's house, 6 p.m.
Okay, I'll be there in about an hour.
Okay man, see you.
See ya.
Hi guys!
Hey!
Hey,
what's
man.
up?
You're late.
How are you?
You're late.
How long have you been here?
Since 15 minutes ago.
You're just in time.
Where's Jojo?
I think he's inside.
I'll just go inside.
Go.
Okay.
Hey bro, what's up? What's up bro? Long time no see!
Yosi.
Oh dear.
Wait.
I remember something.
What?
You know the last time I talked to you about?
What's happening with him? Yeah.
I think you should go now.
You think I should talk to you? Because we've had the same experience?
Yes. I think you can help him.
Okay, I'll try my
Party.
Hey, can I talk to you for a second?
Sure.
You're having a terrible mood swing. Is that true?
I don't know.
Because I think I've had that experience before. What I would recommend is for you to visit a counselor, psychiatrist, for them to examine what's happening with you. But you should control your temper. Can you try that?
I don't know. Cause
Just think of happy thoughts, man. Come on. Think of happy thoughts. Okay?
Thanks, man.
For
We
your
are
own
just
good,
here.
bro.
Yeah, we're just here for you. You can do it.
I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yes!
Action.
Hey guys. What would I do without your smile? Hi guys, I have a joke.
Okay na, siguro pwede na kami magtagalog na lang dito. Kasi hindi na namin kakayanin mag-isip pa ng English terms eh. Okay, isa pa misa ulit. Hey, you. Si Eman nga siya ngayon dito eh.
So, ano na lang natin?
Pita ka eh.
Ano ba yun? Alisin na lang natin yung poses.
Basta, yun lang. Tupay, 128 lang.
Oy, tuloy-tuloy ito. Wala ka
Labas. Ba't si Jojo tinatawagan mo?
Wala ba? Hello?
Hello bro, what's up? You up? Let's play with the ball. Ah!
Muna ka. Hala!
Hi!
Di ba? Kapalan ng